Hello, children. Today we are going to start with chapter 7, that is, Let's Communicate. So, in this chapter, we will study about different means of communication we use to communicate with different people to express our thoughts, views, and ideas. So, let's now now let's study with our chapter now. So, when you have to communicate something, भाई अब जब आपको कुछ चीज कम्युनिकेट करनी है किसी को तो आप क्या करते हो? So what we do, we speak to them, और if they are not near to you, we make phone calls. हम phone call करते हैं, letter send करते हैं. So these are the different means of communication that I will tell you in this chapter. So first is sending and receiving message is called communication. मैसेज का भेजना रिसीव करना कम्युनिकेशन होता है. We often communicate by talking. In earlier times जो लैंग्वेज थी, इट वाज नॉट नोन टू द पीपल, दे यूज साइन लैंग्वेजेस. किसका यूज करते थे? साइन लैंग्वेजेस का, टू कम्युनिकेट अमंग देम. लेटर ऑन दे स्टार्टेड ड्राइंग साइंस एंड सिंबल्स. इन्होंने क्या करा? साइंस और सिंबल्स को ड्रॉ करना स्टार्ट करा. एंड स्टिल लेटर पीपल डेवलप लैंग्वेज. सो इट इज बिलीव दैट पीपल लर्न द आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग. और वो आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग उन्होंने कैसे सीखी? बाय यूजिंग अल्फाबेट्स एंड सिंबल्स around 5,000 years ago. Initially, they engraved their message on clay tablet and they wrote on palm leaves, paper, and printing brought what about turning point in the system of communication and helped in the mass production. और किसने help करा? Mass production of books and magazine. Earlier, message were sent to trained pigeons or special messengers. Right? और तो communication कैसा बन गया? Slow बन गया, non-reliable बन गया. So in our times, advancement in the field of science and technology has helped in the development of मॉडर्न मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. जैसे जैसे साइंस में टेक्नोलॉजी में एडवांसमेंट आया, सो जो डेवलपमेंट है मॉडर्न मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन में और ज्यादा हो गया. Right, now personal means of communication. Then we have personal means of communication. Personal means of communication क्या होता है? Communication between two individual. चाहे वो लेटर हो, चाहे वो टेलीफोन हो, चाहे वो फैक्स हो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेटर, ये मोस्ट कॉमन मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है. वी कैन सेंड लेटर थ्रू पोस्ट ऑफिस. पोस्ट ऑफिस क्या है? इट्स अ फर्स्ट एजेंसी जो आपको क्या प्रोवाइड कर रही है? रिलायबल मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. वी कैन सेंड एरोग्राम्स, लेटर, मनी ऑर्डर एंड पार्सल थ्रू द पोस्ट ऑफिस. अर्जेंट मैसेज कैन बी सेंड थ्रू स्पीड पोस्ट. और हम अर्जेंट मैसेज किसके थ्रू भेजते हैं? स्पीड पोस्ट के थ्रू. हाई स्पीड पोस्टल सर्विस है आपकी स्पीड पोस्ट. एंड सो speed post, it is a high speed postal service. India has more than half lakh post office spread all over the country. Then we have telephone, which was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. It brought revolution in the field of communication, right? Telephone is still popular. If we talk about telephone, it is still popular. Now we are using mobile phone or cellular phone or a wireless phone, जिनको आप कहीं भी कैरी कर सकते हो. यू कैन सेंड SMS, दैट इज शॉर्ट मैसेज सर्विस. स्मार्टफोन्स हैज बिकम what quite popular these days and which are actually mobile phones with some advanced features, जैसे कैमरा हो गया, टच स्क्रीन हो गया, मल्टीमीडिया हो गया और इंटरनेट फैसिलिटीज हो गई. Then we have WhatsApp and Hike. What are these latest method of smartphone based communication? We can send written or voice message from one smartphone to another. We can also send pictures and videos, but for this internet facility should be available. और कैसी facilities होनी चाहिए? इंटरनेट facilities होनी चाहिए. Then we have fax, that is facsimile automatic machine. Xerox machine है which is used to send true copy of the written or typed message. आप कहीं भेज सकते हो. In any part of the world you can send pictures and photographs. आप फोटोग्राफ्स और पिक्चर्स भी भेज सकते हो. ये किससे कनेक्टेड होता है? टेलीफोन लाइन से कनेक्टेड होता है. डॉक्यूमेंट वगैरह बी सेंट inserted in the machine at one end within the minutes, and exact copy can be received at the other end. Then we have email, which is electronic mail. It's in this method which we type message on the computer and send it to any part of the world with the help of internet connection. We can also use an email to send any document containing pictures, music, videos. In order to use the email facilities, what do you have to create? You have to create an email account on our website. This is gmail.com, yahoo.com or hotmail.com. You can also use these facilities on a computer or smartphone. जिसपे क्या है आपका internet connection. This we have mass communication. The word mass means a large number of people. So communicating to a number of people at a time is called mass communication. Some important means of mass communication includes newspaper, magazine, radio, television, cinema, internet. Right? Newspaper and magazine. What newspaper क्या करते हैं? They keep updated about what is happening around the world. What they contain? News regarding politics, sports, and important emails. Right? Then we have, they also contain advertisement, daily newspaper come every year, weekly newspaper जो once in a week आता है, fortnightly newspaper जो आपको 15 days में आता है, like Times of India, Hindustan Times, The Hindu, Indian Express, Telegram, बहुत सारे हैं. Magazines are printed once in a month. What they contain? News in detail. They also contain articles on burning topic. Newspaper and magazine are printed in various language. वो depend करता है target readers पे, right? Now radio, which was invented by Guglielmo Marconi in 1921, it brought a revolutionization in the field of mass communication. ये mass communication में क्या लेके आए? Revolutionization लेके आए. Apart from news, various entertainment and educational programs are broadcasted on radio. Live commentary of cricket beneficial है जो, and who cannot read and write. रेडियो किसके लिए बेनिफिशियल है? जो ना लिख सकते हैं और ना ही पढ़ सकते हैं. Then we have television, which is another milestone invention in the field of mass communication. किसने इन्वेंट करता? जॉन बेयर्डली 1926 में. We can hear as well as see news and various entertainment programs on television. We can also watch important events, matches. Nowadays, smart televisions are also available, right? Then we have cinema. सबसे important means of communication है. Many movies can be carried out, can be seen over here, right? पॉजिटिव मैसेज टू मेक पीपल अवेयर ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंट सोशल मीडिया. और आपने देखा होगा जब आप मूवीज देखने जाते हैं तो एक सोशल मैसेज भी दिया जाता है जिससे हम लोगों को अवेयर कर सके. नाउअडेज ऑलमोस्ट एवरी टाउन एंड सिटी हैज वन और मोर सिनेमा हॉल. इन बिग सिटीज यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लेक्स होते हैं जहाँ पे आप मूवीज वॉच कर सकते हो. देन वी हैव इंटरनेट विच इज द लेटेस्ट डेवलपमेंट इन द फील्ड ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन. सबसे लेटेस्ट डेवलपमेंट है and it joins million of computer and smartphones all across the world. You can find out information on any topic instantly. इसको हम ocean of information and knowledge कहते हैं. Most of the government and private organization have their own website. इनकी अपनी website होती है. हर school की अपनी website होती है. They address our school website and visit there. All the means of mass communication play an important or vital role in creating awareness among the people. Right? For our government, advertiser its policies through advertisement in newspaper and to television to let people know about these policies. प्राइवेट कंपनीज जो है वो भी एडवर्टाइज करती है अपने प्रोडक्ट को. जब प्रमोशन करना होता है ना तो क्या करती है? प्रोडक्ट को एडवर्टाइज करती है, राइट? So this is all in this chapter of Let's Communicate. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.